Number 21. Get a present. It means to receive a gift.
I got a present for my birthday. I got a present for my birthday. She was happy to get a present from her friend. She was happy to get a present from her friend. He got a present from his company for his service. He got a present from his company for his service.
Number 22. Get a haircut. It means to have your hair cut or styled.
He gets a haircut every other month. He gets a haircut every other month. She got a haircut for her sister's wedding. She got a haircut for her sister's wedding. It's time for me to get a haircut. It's time for me to get a haircut.
Number 23. Get tired of. It means to begin to feel that you want to sleep or rest. Do not want to do any more.
After a long walk, I get tired. After a long walk, I get tired. She gets tired after working all day. She gets tired after working all day. They got tired of playing soccer. They got tired of playing soccer.
Number 24. Get a ride to. It means to receive transportation to a place.
Can I get a ride to school with you? Can I get a ride to school with you? She got a ride to the airport from her brother. She got a ride to the airport from her brother. They got a ride to the concert with friends. They got a ride to the concert with friends.
Number 25. Get to work. It means to arrive at the place where you work.
I need to get to work by 8 a.m. I need to get to work by 8 a.m. She got to work and started her computer. She got to work and started her computer. Let's get to work on the project right away. Let's get to work on the project right away.